Hi friends, I'm Ashok. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Finding Happiness in Small Things. I'm going to show you today cicadas. What is cicadas? Cicadas are insects like big kind of flies and red eyes, and the facts about them is they emerges from the ground after every 16 years. When they emerge from the ground, they try to climb up the tree, on the top of the tree, and then all the cicadas try to go up, and the female one will make a lot of noise, and hearing that, the male cicadas will also go up the tree, and they mate there, and after mating they lay their eggs on the branches, and those eggs will get attached to the branches for 2 to 3 weeks, and then those eggs will fall down on the ground, and larvae will come out, and they will go under the ground for like 18 inches below, and they will stay under the ground for 16 years, next 16 years, and then after 16 years they will come out of the ground and become big, and they repeat the cycle again. Like I'm going to show you the big cicadas and big wings, and they cannot fly. They have to just crawl, and even if you pick it up and try to throw it down, they will fall down. And they have like a big meaty body. So the birds and the other animals, they love to eat them, and it's like big flies. Let me show you. I'm taking you to the tree where I can find them in bunch. So they are sitting on the top of this small tree. It's a lot of them. Look at them. These are called cicadas. They're like all sitting here, and they're just waiting for temperature to go up a little bit, around like 70 Fahrenheit. Right now its temperature is a little down, it's cold, and they are sitting quietly. As soon as temperature hits 70 in the evening, they will make a lot of noise. Next 3-4 weeks, I'm expecting them to scream loud for mating. So female cicadas will make a lot of noise. It's interesting. Look at the fat body. And they're harmless. Some people are saying here, get them, fry them, and eat it, because they are so meaty and they taste so good. I'm not going to fry them and eat. Look at them, the huge body. Look at the eyes. Perfect red eyes. They look dangerous, but they are harmless. They can't even fly. Looks interesting, right? Let me catch one of that. I got one. Look at that. What do you expect? It has big wings. It can fly. I don't think so. I tried one earlier and threw it to the ground from the height, and it just fell. Let me show you. Can't fly long. just landed here. Cicadas. Look at the body. Fat body. They do not bite. So I'm afraid they might eat up my little tree. I may want to get them off my tree. I don't want my tree to get eaten overnight. Not sure they will eat this tree or what. Man, there are a lot of them. Whew. Okay, I got rid of them from my tree. I don't want them to eat my tree. Man, there's a lot of them. They're just like a locust. Look at this. This is the shell. Shell of larva. They came from the ground, then hatched into the fly. Okay, I got them clear from my tree. That's all for today. So I'll keep bringing up new videos like this.